How to refresh WhatsApp contact by using your iPhone. You have to follow this step and dive into the process. First of all, open up your WhatsApp on your iPhone. Once you are here, you have to navigate to the chat. And here on your chat, just go for the plus icon which is on the top right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to tap on the new chat here. And you have to pull down the contact list to refresh here. And once you are here, you can see the new chat option. You have to pull down your contact list to refresh. Also, if you have your new contact and don't appear on your WhatsApp, ensure you have granted the WhatsApp access to your contact. Navigate to your setting which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down, go for your privacy. Once you are on your privacy, you have to go for the contact option. So here on the scroll down, and here you have to look for the option of contact. So here you can see that you have to set it to your contact option here. So this way you will easily refresh your contact. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.